Good morning, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. It is 7:16 in the morning, September 18th, 2021. Folks, last night we had one blast off coming right in our direction. Oh boy, let's hit play and see what happens. It looks like a mess. That's one from last night. And about, 5 a.m. in the morning, we get another one coming up at us. Just taking a peek here. Rolling into it, and it comes all up over here. It's like whoosh, looks like it's coming right straight at us. It could be going the opposite direction, but I'm pretty sure that, yeah, that's coming at us. Holy smokes. Ooh, yeah. Did anybody actually hear that? I said, holy smokes. That sounded like a daggum youper. Okay, here we are over at Lasco C2, and we're gonna watch this baby. She comes out quite nice. Hey, boy, there's all kinds of little anomalies going on in the thing, isn't it? Here she goes. Oh, nice. That is right at us, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. That's coming right our direction. And this is the one from last night, or yesterday. Oh, man. Yeah, that's coming right at us. Tinfoil hats on, folks. I'm going to hope that I can update the SDO dashboard so we can actually see it come off the sun and actually see the flare itself, which would be fantastic. Actually, before we go and check out SDO dashboard, this right here is the highest point for our X-ray radiation absorption. Ooh, watch out, Africa. Yep, they are definitely hitting 50, right? I mean, maybe 14. I mean, it's so close. Actually, if you look over here on this one here, that's weird. It shows it only at 10. 10 is that color, and that's like 13, 14, which is what that is. Kind of has to make you wonder, doesn't it? Actually, let's see if there's any more. Ooh, boom, boom. That was a double whammy. See that? Starts up at 801. Boom, boom. Oh, nice. That's a solid 15. 801 to 850 maybe? So almost an hour. See if we got another one here. Nope. Okay, we're good. And yeah, we're gonna get hit. That one's from a few days ago. Oh, you little snooze. I really wish I had taken a screenshot of this. When I first pulled this thing up, I actually checked it on my phone, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I got my computer. This wasn't even here. It was here, and then it shot down, and it was straight across. This was not here. Oh, those little snakes. I swear to God, I wish I'd taken a screenshot. Oh boy. Brothers and sisters, boys and girls, this is the first time I've ever actually seen it coming out of the sun. Look, there it is. This thing is either, this damn sun is either giving birth, dropping kittens, I don't know. I have never actually seen it coming out. I'm gonna have to see him get out of the doggone way. Thank you. Oh, come on. This is really gonna frustrate me. Come on. I'm gonna dink. Watch this. It's not there. Boom. Look at all that plasma coming out. Holy Chinook salmon. And then watch. Here she comes. Oh, squeeze it out, baby. Squeeze it out. Oh, that's magnificent. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. Folks, that is awesome. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I got it coming out of this one too. Look at, oh my gosh, look at all that great stuff. Splulat. Now, watch. Okay, watch right over in here. You'll see it start going like she is giving birth, dude. Folks, dude. What am I up sticking? Surfer, look at it. Look at it coming out. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey, little fella. Hey, little fella. Say hi to the world. Okay. Well, if that's not a portal, Our sun is pregnant. Oh, let's go see if we can find her on some other ones. Here it is. I got it. That's 3 for 3. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. I know some of you guys might be, oh my gosh, this guy's a little dork. Well, actually, kind of funny thing is I've always loved space. Look at that flare. Oh, flare and associated and CME. Look at all that coming. Oh boy. But I'm actually kind of like a guy's guy, like hunting, fishing, you know, guns, spaceships, explosions, you know, trucks, diesel trucks, rolling that black smoke. Oh, look at that. Oh, hi. This is exciting, ladies and gentlemen. Exciting. Here she is. Different color. Angstrom. And this is 171, I believe. There it is. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is exciting. It really is, folks. Gosh, that is just awesome. To be able to get it in multiple colored angstroms like this. Usually, when I'm showing these to you guys, I'm showing you all these little planets that it's given birth to. At least I would think they're planets. We can only see it on seeds. Seeds is where we can see it the best. But on SDO, oh, ladies and gentlemen, that is a whole nother level right there. Okay, so I'm kind of thinking of what am I going to name this particular video. The only thing I can think of that's appropriate is the Phoenix just laid an egg. Because here's the Phoenix, in case anybody didn't see the last one. Check it out. Here's the wings, right there. Okay, here's the neck, the head, the beak, the eye, the neck, the other wing, tail, feet here, and body. Phoenix on the sun. Go figure that, right? Now let's hit play on this bad boy, so I can get that out of my way. Come over here. Blink. Oh, you little turd! I hate it when they do that. All right. Let's see if we can get her. Oh, live time with you. Oh, yep, there she is. Hi there, little fella. This is awesome. That is amazing. The Phoenix just laid an egg. Okay, folks, I'm not gonna lie, I can't quite see exactly where this is coming off at. With a big one that we saw coming around, I gave the halo. I do see something hitting right here. See, whoosh, coming off there, and then that thing just explodes. And then the second one, you'll see it coming out here. Whoop, and then it stops. So we're actually going to see if we can just get it ourselves. Come here, little fella. And here, oh, that is a lot of plasma. Ooh, maybe that's actually just what came out. I don't know. Come on, where? Oh, come on. A little more. A little more. Squeeze a little more. Ah. There we go. Got him. Screenshots. Folks, this is exciting. Now, here's a scary thing I'm thinking. I just noticed. Sorry, I was too busy over here looking at the golden egg. Look at this. Doesn't that look like it's like swirling and coming up and off the sun? Oh. Okay, no. Whew. I was gonna say, if that's the case, folks, we are gonna have a bad day when that arrives. Okay. Oof. Optical illusion. Thank goodness. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's exciting. I mean, holy cow, look at that. I hit that I wasn't even trying, but look at that. And right as she's about to pop out. This is incredible. Folks, please make sure that you're careful. Alrighty. Let's come over here and take a look at space weather. Let's see if they even have it registered yet. I doubt it. No, they don't even have it registered yet. But look at this coming up here. Just straight out increasing in plasma. Yeah, definitely have your tinfoil hats on. Well, folks, make sure you're safe. Make sure you have plenty of food and water. Our sun is really picking up in intensity in laying eggs or whatever it's doing. Alrighty? I love you guys. Stay safe.